Say Aubrey.
Aubrey.
Say Aubrey. Say it again. What's your name? What's your name? Aubrey? Hey, you're supposed to sit down. Sit down in the chair. Aubrey? Sit down. Look at mommy. Sit down. Sit down in the chair. Okay, look at mommy. Say Aubrey. 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 What are you supposed to do? No, you were supposed to sit down. Sit down. No. Okay, say Aubrey. Hey, say Aubrey. Miss Aubrey Lynn. You're supposed to sit in the chair. Sit down. Okay. Now, hey, stay sitting. Say Aubrey. Hey, you sit down. Mommy sat down. Okay, look at the camera. Say Aubrey. Hey, no. Sit down. Say Aubrey. Say Aubrey. Hey, look at. You're supposed to sit down.